Hi, Norman's back once again with another device for you to always stay connected. This time we're talking about extremely remote locations. Great distances, even greater speed. This is the LHG LTE18 kit. Like the previous LHG LTE models, it's a last-mile internet solution for situations where even your phone might not have any signal. The new LHG comes with a cutting-edge Category 18 LTE modem, bringing you the fastest mobile internet in the middle of nowhere so far. This kit supports speeds up to 1 gigabit. And let's not forget about carrier aggregation. With this modem, you can use multiple bands at the same time. That's a huge advantage when there's a lot of LTE users in the area. It provides better responsiveness in a crowded environment and higher efficiency for weaker signal situations in the countryside. So, even if you're competing for traffic in a place with poor connectivity, the new LHG will give you the upper hand. There's a mighty high-gain antenna that supports a variety of LTE bands. It goes as high as 2.7 GHz and it offers extensive low-frequency coverage as well. And may I remind you that the lower frequency radio waves can travel really far. That's why the lower LTE bands are one of the most popular signal types worldwide, used by countless mobile operators. So you should be able to find some sort of signal anywhere. It depends on many factors, but the bottom line is simple. This kit is the best bet when it comes to remote locations. Now, let's take a closer look. You'll be using the Gigabit Ethernet port with PoE in for powering, but we've included an injector as well. For connectivity, there's a standard micro SIM slot, and at the heart of this useful gadget, we have a powerful 64-bit dual-core ARM CPU. There's a massive heatsink, so you don't have to worry about overheating. The grid antenna design could withstand harsh, windy weather, and it can be mounted in different ways. All things considered, the LHG LTE18 kit offers insane utility, fast and stable internet wherever you go. So don't wait, contact your MikroTik distributor today and always stay connected.